Hey friends, in this video we'll learn about question number 1, third subdivision of exercise 8.2, chapter 8, Trigonometry. The question goes cos 45 divided by secant 30 plus cosecant 30. By substituting the values, cos 45 is 1 by root 2 divided by secant 30 is 2 by root 3 plus cosecant 30 is 2, and then solving the equation 1 by root 2 divided by 2 plus 2 root 3 divided by root 3. 1 by root 2 into root 3 divided by 2 plus 2 root 3, which gives root 3 divided by 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6. We cannot keep the denominator as such. We have to rationalize it. So, multiplying the numerator and denominator by 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. As we know, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. We can convert the denominator easily. Now continuing, root 3 into 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6 divided by 2 root 2 the whole square minus 2 root 6 the whole square, which is equal to 2 into root 2 into 3 is 6, 2 root 6 minus 2 into root 6 into 3 is 18 divided by 2 root 2 the whole square is 8 minus 2 into root 6 the whole square is 2 into 2 4, root 6 into root 6 is 6, that is 4 into 6 24. 2 root 6 minus 2, 18 can be written as 9 into 2 divided by 8 minus 24 is minus 16, which is equal to 2 root 6 minus 2 into taking 3 from the square root. Square root of 9 is 3 into 3 root 2 divided by minus 16, which is equal to 2 root 6 minus 6 root 2 divided by minus 16. Taking 2 as common, minus 2 as common, we get 3 root 2 minus root 6 divided by minus 16. Dividing numerator and denominator, we get divided by 8, which gives us the answer as 3 root 2 minus root 6 by 8. Thank you.